Caleb here with High Flow Drainage Solutions. I want to raise some awareness to the fact that many homes in the Kansas City area have improperly discharged foundation perimeter drains. If your home has a walkout basement, 9 times out of 10, you have an exterior foundation perimeter drain, which is basically a perforated pipe that runs along the outside perimeter of your home's foundation. And what it does is, if the water table around your home rises, it keeps water from being able to flow out onto your basement floor. It's your last line of defense. So if it's not working properly, it's a bad day. We're at a home in Liberty, Missouri today installing a downspout drain system, and we came across something that we unfortunately come across quite often. Right here is the foundation perimeter drain for the home, and the issue with the way this is discharged, there is no discharge. The pipe is ended underneath the ground about 8 inches beneath the surface. The end was completely plugged with soil. If any substantial amount of water enters this home's perimeter drain, the water only has one place to go after it fills the tail end of this pipe, and that's onto the home's basement floor. So the way we're going to solve this issue for our client, we will go ahead and attach a section of solid discharge line, and at least in this case, we have enough slope going away from the tail end of the home that we'll be able to daylight a solid discharge line for this foundation perimeter drain about 3 foot from the home. We can't tie it into our downspout drain system, because if the pop-up emitter for this downspout drain system ever freezes, which it will eventually, you could end up with a bunch of water backed up into the home's foundation drain, which would result in a tragedy. If you are looking for a contractor in the Kansas City area that truly understands the ins and outs of drainage, give us a call.